What is the Islamic view on the contemporary issues which our youngsters they are facing? I would like to present 8 points for your understanding. For example, dating and premarital sex. Islam does not approve of intimate mixing of sexes, forbid premarital or extramarital sex. Islam encourages marriage as a shield for such temptation and as a means of having mutual love and mercy and peace. Abortion. Islam considers abortion as murder and does not permit it except to save the mother life as given in Quran, Surah number 17, verse number 23 to 31, as well as Surah number 6, verse number 151. Homosexuality and AIDS. Islam categorically opposes homosexuality and considers it a grave sin. However, Muslim physicians are advised to take care for the AIDS patients with compassion, just as they do to the other patients. Euthanasia and suicide in Islam is opposed to both suicide and euthanasia. Organ transplantation. Islam stresses upon life saving as given in Surah number 5, verse number 32. Similarly, the transplantation in general would be considered permissible provided a donor consent is available. The sale of the organ is not allowed at all in Islam. Thank you.